In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can claim your own Black Mirror social ID NFT. So make sure you watch to the end. Alright, GM guys, as you can see here, Black Mirror is an online community platform that draws inspiration from the dystopian themes of popular TV series Black Mirror. So if you've seen this TV series, I think you should know what's going on here. So here are the airdrop details. They are currently offering free airdrop in the form of their Black Mirror social ID NFT. Okay, now this asset serves as both a membership pass and a guarantee for future token airdrops, which have been confirmed by the project. So this shows how important it is, right? The airdrop requires users to complete a simple registration process that involves connecting both EVM and Solana wallets and linking Twitter. So if you have an EVM wallet, a Solana wallet, and a Twitter account, then you're good to go. Okay, click the video description, you see the link to this airdrop, paste it on your browser, and it will take you to this page. Okay, now if you're using a smartphone, the page will appear similar to this, just a little downsized, right? So you now see a prompt to connect your EVM wallet and your Solana wallet and your Twitter. So let's do the EVM wallet first. All right, now as you can see, we've completed phase 1 of registering for this pre-qualification required. So now we have to connect one Solana wallet, either Fantom or Solfar. So if you don't have any of these wallets, you can install one of them from here, and I have Solfar, so I'll use Solfar. Okay, we have successfully connected our Solfar. So the last phase of this is to connect our X account. Alright, so we have successfully connected everything, and as you can see, congratulations, you have successfully registered for the Black Mirror Experience Rewards app. Alright, so in order to get notified when to be ready to get rewards, just input your email here, so that whenever the rewards distribution will start, you'll be notified in your email. Also, I'll be putting videos on this channel, so remember to subscribe and follow on my Twitter so you don't miss anything. So you're literally done, guys. Registration complete. Congratulations, you have successfully completed all the initial requirements for the Black Mirror experience. And so that's pretty much it for now, guys. So if you want to read their light paper, you can click on this, watch season 7 trailer, and all this. Okay, so if there's any other updates to this, I'll let you guys know. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.